This dog caretaker made one tiny mistake. While walking through the room, she didn't notice a dog sleeping right behind her, and the moment she turned around, she lost her balance and fell. For a second, nobody knew if she was okay, but then something adorable happened. One by one, every single dog rushed over to check on her, proving that she wasn't just taking care of them, they cared about her too.